In this video, you will learn how to troubleshoot processed with error issue while uploading JSON in form GSTR 9C. Assuming that you have already logged on to the GST portal and have uploaded the JSON file. Notice that the JSON is processed with error. This error occurs in case you try to upload the JSON file with error. Let us see now how to fix this issue. Click the Generate Error Report hyperlink to generate the error report. A message is displayed that error report generation is requested. Wait for some time and then click the refresh button. Click the Download Error Report hyperlink to download the error report. Error report is downloaded. Go to the location where zip file is downloaded on your system. Click Extract All to unzip the error file. Select the location where you want to extract the error report and click Extract. Error report is displayed. Now go to GSTR 9C offline tool. Click Open GSTR 9C JSON error file downloaded from GST portal button to open the error report in offline tool. Browse the location where error report is saved and click OK. Click Yes. A confirmation message is displayed that GSTR 9C error file has been imported successfully. Click OK. Go to every worksheet in the tool to check for errors. Error will be displayed under Portal Validation Error column in every sheet. Let us see now how to rectify this error. Log into the GST portal and go to GSTR 9C dashboard and click Initiate Filing. Click Download GSTR 9C tables derived from GSTR 9 PDF button. PDF is downloaded on your machine. Open the downloaded PDF file. Now go to specific section in PDF to view details to rectify the error in the offline tool. Make changes in the worksheet using details from the downloaded PDF. Click on Validate Sheet button to validate the changes in the sheet. A confirmation message is displayed that sheet has been validated successfully. Click OK. Once all the errors are rectified, go to Home tab. Click Generate JSON file to upload GSTR 9C details on GST portal. Browse the location where you want to save the JSON file and click Save. Sign the JSON using EM Signer and go to GST portal. Click Choose File to upload the newly generated JSON file after rectifying the error. Select the location where you have saved the JSON file and click Open. Notice that the JSON is uploaded successfully. It's that simple to fix this issue.